Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the headlight bulbs in a 2006 Toyota Camry. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2006 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. The bulbs toward the inside of each assembly are the running lights, the large bulbs in the middle are the main headlight bulbs, and the bulbs on the outside are turn signal bulbs. Today, I'll be showing you how to change the main headlight bulbs, but the procedure is similar for the others. Start by locating the back of the bulb. Press the tab on the wiring harness to disconnect it from the bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to slip its tabs out of the assembly and remove it from the assembly. When you install the new bulb, be sure not to touch the glass of the bulb with your bare fingers. Finger oils or grease can create hot spots on the glass that can cause it to burn out prematurely. The new bulb will have tabs that slip into the assembly. Then turn it clockwise to secure it. Click the wiring harness back into place once the bulb is secure in the assembly. Whether you've replaced a headlight bulb or one of the others, it's always recommended you change bulbs in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Before closing the hood, turn on the headlights to make sure your new bulbs are working properly. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.